All right, just got back from vacation yesterday. Didn't go anywhere, just got home, wanted to relax, wanted to enjoy myself. And then this morning I decided I wanted to go out and get some coffee. I wanted to go because I don't have any coffee at home. I was like, I'm going to go and grab a coffee. Went outside, went to crank this over, and it doesn't want to crank. What I'm assuming, because I sprayed these down, is these have too much corrosion on them. So I did the outsides. It started, got my coffee, came back. Actually, the coffee's up there. Got my coffee, and what I'm believing is that there's still corrosion in between here. So what I was going to do is I'm going to take these off and check and see if that does anything better. If not, I'm going to open up the fuse and see if it's the fuse. If not that, I have no clue where I'm going with this. But I feel like it's just these are really badly corroded from being parked here, and water usually gets through here. So I don't know if it's just getting in the engine bay. As you can see, there's a little bit of leeway down there. I don't know if it affects it as much. I don't know. Midwest things. Also, you can see my tire. So yeah, water's probably getting up through there and such. I am so happy for my friends though growing up, because growing up all my friends had were mechanics. Like we worked on cars and stuff. I tried to work on cars. I just watched as they work on cars. Except for one time, I remember I almost lost my fingers because we had to put on a rear axle on a car. That's a whole nother story. Anyway, it's crazy that I have weird skills, because I can do magic, comedy, and then it's I know how to work on cars from watching friends work on cars growing up. I don't know. It's very I feel like being ADHD. I might be autistic. I don't know. But hopefully this fixes it. All right, my car looks all fucked up. This seat thing comes out though. I got a husky, so that explains all the hair, but let's see if she cranks over, guys. I hear sound. Ooh, okay. Well, that's it. All I needed were the terminals to be clean, so that's it. Just a friendly reminder, don't spend too much crazy money at the dealership. Maybe find a friend that can do it for you. This literally cost me nothing to do. Just buy them a beer.